Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to save a file in Notepad++. If you're a beginner, this is one of the first things you should learn. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. Create a new file or open any existing file. Now type some text in the editor, for example, "Hello World." To save the file for the first time, click on the File menu in the top left corner, then select Save As. A new window will open. Choose the folder where you want to save your file, such as the Desktop or Documents folder. In the File name box, type a name for your file, such as myfile.txt. After entering the file name, click the Save button. Your file has now been saved successfully. Now let's make a small change. Add another line of text to the file. To save the updated version, click File and then Save. You can also press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. This is the fastest way to save your work. Whenever you make changes to a file, press Ctrl+S regularly. This helps protect your work and prevents data loss if your computer shuts down unexpectedly. If you want to save the file with a different name or in a different location, use File, then Save As, and choose a new file name or folder. That's it. You have successfully learned how to save a file in Notepad++. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Notepad++ tutorials. See you in the next video.